Namaskar. Today we are going to learn the topic using or writing contracted forms, and of course the subject is English. These are two sentences. First sentence, I am going to school, and second sentence is I am going to school. Look here, this is am, and this is contracted form of I am. Look here, in this contracted form I am, this is apostrophe mark. This is called apostrophe mark. What is meaning of contracted form? In grammar, a contracted form is a shortened form of a word or group of words with the missing letter usually marked by an apostrophe. मराठी सांगायचं तर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टेड फॉर्म म्हणजे एक छोटा केलेला शब्द की ज्याच्यामध्ये एक किंवा दोन अक्षरं गाळली जातात आणि त्या जागी ॲपोस्ट्रोफी मार्क लिहिलेला असतो. Now look at this sentence. It's rich and creamy. The sentence is it's rich and creamy. Now you can find that it's is a contracted word, and what is the expanded form of its? It is expanded form, and this is its is contracted form. Now look, all the example has is verb, and when is joined to the it, she, he, who, that, there, what is happen? That I of is disappear, and the apostrophe mark is takes place of I. It, she, he, who, that आणि there ला is जोडताना is मधील I हे लेटर गाळलं जातं आणि त्याच्या जागी apostrophe मार्क लिहिला जातो. Now these are another example, but in this example the word or verb are is given there. We, they, you are joined with are become we are, there, you are, we are, there, you are, and a is replaced by apostrophe mark here. या ठिकाणी आर ज्यावेळी वी, दे, यू यासारख्या सर्वनामांना जॉईंट होतो त्यावेळी काय होतं तर आर मधील ए जे लेटर आहे ते गाळलं जातं आणि त्याच्या जागी apostrophe मार्क देऊन दोन्ही शब्द एकत्र केले जातात. वी आर असा एकत्र शब्द जॉईन करून लिहिला जातो. Now this is another example. I'll take the butter to the market. I'll take the butter to the market. Here this is contracted form of I will. I will become I'll. You will, you'll. We will. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. They will, they'll. In this contracted form, WR is replaced by apostrophe mark. या ठिकाणी will ज्यावेळी या सर्वनामांना जोडला जातो त्यावेळी काय होतं बघा तर यावेळी या ठिकाणी WI ही दोन अक्षरं गाळली जातात आणि त्याच्या जागी apostrophe मार्क लिहिला जातो. Now this is another example, but the common word is not, and these are verb is, are, was, were, do, does, will, shall, can. These are verb, but not is joined here, and it become is not become isn't, are not becomes aren't, was not become wasn't, were not become weren't, do not become don't, does not become doesn't. या ठिकाणी नॉट ज्यावेळी जोडलं जातं त्यावेळी नॉट मधला जो ओ आहे तो गाळला जातो आणि त्याच्या जागी एपोस्ट्रोफी मार्क लिहिला जातो आणि दोन्ही जी शब्द आहेत इज आणि नॉट हे एकत्र केले जातात आणि ओ गाळून त्या जागी एपोस्ट्रोफी मार्क लिहिला जातो. नाव थिंक these are three examples, but can you find the contracted form of will not, shall not, and cannot? Yes, think about it. Now you can get the answer. Will not has different type of contracted form. Also shall not and cannot have different type. What is different? This is most important. That will not has contracted form of won't, and shall not become shan't, and cannot become cannot. Please remember this, that will not become won't, shall not become shan't, and cannot become can't. या ठिकाणी कॅनॉट मध्ये दोन वेळा एन आहे, परंतु या कांट मध्ये काय होतंय बघा, एकच एन येतोय आणि त्याच्यानंतर एपोस्ट्रोफी मार्क देऊन टी लिहिला जातो. नाव रिमेंबर दिस थ्री इम्पॉर्टंट एक्झाम्पल. नाव I have become I, you have become you, we have become we, they have become they have. I had become I'd, you had become you'd, she had become she'd, and he had become he. In this example, HA is replaced by apostrophe mark. Here also, HA is replaced by apostrophe mark and the contracted form is formed. Now, this is new example here. Let us. And what is the contracted form of let us? It is let's. Let us means let's. Now you can there is an example or question is here. Where will the apostrophe mark be used in the contracted form of let's? म्हणजे let's मध्ये apostrophe mark कुठे येईल? There are two answers of this question. One is after T, म्हणजे T नंतर apostrophe mark येऊ शकतो, or another answer is before S, म्हणजे S च्या आधी apostrophe mark आपण लिहू शकतो. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारे दोन प्रश्न, एक प्रश्न असेल आणि त्याचे पर्याय हे या दोघांपैकी एक असू शकेल. Now this is one sentence. The train comes at 7 o'clock. Here o'clock is also contracted form. And what is the expanded form of o'clock? It is off the clock. O'clock means off the clock. Now look, there are so many contracted form is there. You can pause and read it. That's all for today's session. I hope it will help you to learn contracted forms. Practice it and use it. Till then, goodbye.